Alright, I'm gonna make sure that all the pieces are kind of flipped already. And now, chicken is already going, see? You want to cover when you cook this because you want to make sure it cooks on the inside, you know? Because when you cover it, you're actually creating like an oven situation there. See, the potatoes are frying. Can you see that? You can see that, right? Nice. Look at that. Look how nice these are cooking. Look at these things. Wow. Let's take a look at the chicken. Look at the chicken. Look at this. Yeah, good enough. Now, can you pass me the mushrooms over here? Now we're going to put the mushrooms in. Now what happens is the mushroom is going to soak up the oil. You know, they will soak up the oil. See, my son Michael doesn't like the mushrooms, but I'm going to make mushrooms in here anyway. And either he picks them out or something. See? Now, we're going to put some garlic, and I'll put it right to the pan. Make sure the garlic cooks a little. See? Like that. And this is going to be quick because you don't want to really burn the garlic. Don't burn the garlic. No burning the garlic. Right? At the same time here, I think the potatoes are doing good. I like them like that. So we're going to throw the vegetables. We got yellow squash, zucchini, and we got these guys. Can you see that? Is that beautiful? Look at that, huh? Look at that. Fantastic. Love the way this looks. I'm going to drain some of the oil now from these. We don't want to cook the vegetables too much. So I'm just going to drain some of the oil out of that. The oil, you know, oil is a wonderful thing because it really helps to add taste to the food we cook. You know, people say, oh, it's too oily. But then, you know, you don't get that taste. You don't get the taste you need, you know. What oil does, it also seals the food and it keeps the flavors inside. When you boil or even steam, the food starts to get lose its flavor, you know. And we're supposed to have flavor, you know. Food is made for flavor. We got to eat for flavor, not for, you know, just to eat. All right, now this is almost ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some wine. I'm going to reduce it. A little wine here too. Okay. See that wine there? That's good, just the way it is now. So now we're going to put some butter. I'm going to put some butter. And you know, there's nothing wrong with butter, you know? Put some butter here and butter there. Put butter everywhere, and then we'll put the parsley. You want to put some parsley in there? Go ahead. Be careful. Go ahead. Don't be bashful. Go ahead. That's all right. Put some parsley in there. Put some over here too. Go ahead. Why not? All right. Don't burn yourself. All right. Enough? Go ahead. We've used the whole thing over here. Just put the rest in there. All right. Now we're gonna mix it up here. And how long did this take? What do we do this in 20 minutes or something? Not even. I don't think it was 20 minutes. It was less than 20 minutes, wasn't it? Look at that. All right, now, this is almost ready. So what we're going to do, we are going to serve the food, okay? But before we do that, Angelina just whispered in my ear, you forgot the salt and pepper. Because you know, when you're on camera, you could forget things, you know. So we're just going to give some salt and pepper to everything. You know? Okay. Now, we're going to take this, and this. And we're going to put it over here. Okay? And then, would you wipe the table here and put some plates here?
Sure.
I think there's going to be 5 at dinner tonight, Angelina.
All right, great.
Okay? All right. Are we cooking or what? Look at this chicken is like, look at the chicken. Oh. Uh-huh. Now, if it looks like it's drying up a little bit, you see, you want to keep shaking it because you got butter in there. You could add some water. Don't worry about it. Because the water will prevent the chicken from, the sauce from separating, you know? Because you don't want to see an oily looking sauce. Because you got butter in there. You got butter, you got, you know, wine. See how it looks now? Get a close-up of this, look. See how that looks? This is how it's supposed to look. I want you to come close up right in this piece right here, right there. Okay, you see that? Good, that's how it looks. Now this is good. I wouldn't cook this any more than that, okay? The vegetables, I love them. Vegetables look good. These are good, so we're ready to go. And this is what we're gonna do.
Plates are set up.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna use this one. All right, now we got the chicken. 1, 2, 3, and 1 here. We're gonna put a little bit here, and here we go. Now we're gonna go put the vegetables on there. Look how beautiful the vegetables are. Look at these. Look at this. It's all about taste. And it's all about eating the food right after it comes out. And it's all about how warm you can make it. And don't let it get cold. All right, and that's it. Here it is. Maybe we can put a little twig of parsley in there. And there it is, folks. Chicken scarpariello with a medley of vegetables. And thank you for tuning in. I am out loud
Chef Daddy.
Chef Daddy, and this is Angelina. Bye bye.